Okay, guys, tonight we're gonna try out this. I got some Cafe de Monde beignet mix. I've got 7 ounces of water in there and 2 cups of the mix. Just whisk this all together. I'm not gonna follow exactly, that's all the recipe, but I'm supposed to put it out on the cookie sheet. Okay, I'm supposed to put it out on the cookie sheet. Just get right there.
No.
You'll be close enough right there, baby. You can't get where Mammy's at. You're going to get right there to the side.
I don't see.
Because I'm not seeing us. Okay, so we've got our mix in there.
Little mess.
Okay, I might have to put just a teeny bit more water.
Okay, Mommy.
Okay, we put just a teeny bit more water. Mo's mixing it up for us. It's hard, ain't it? Get it, girl. Kind of look like that. There we go. But anyhow, you're supposed to roll it out to a 1/8 of an inch. We're not rolling it out. We're going to use our hands and smash us out some. Okay? Tomorrow we might try rolling them out, she said. But we're going to get all our flour out of here now. She does have her hands washed, guys. She went to the bathroom and washed them. I know it. Got some flour on her shoulder. Did you show them? Okay, we're just getting it all out of here.
Mom had that on my hand. Me.
No, you don't. We ain't through yet.
Okay.
Okay, that's good enough. Now we're going to take and kind of knead it a little bit. Fold it over and knead it. There you go.
Oh, I don't eat it. Okay.
Smells different. Guess it smells like beignet, huh? Use your hand. Yeah, right there you go. And then let me fold it over again. It's okay. Okay, we're just folding it and mixing it all in together. Getting it kind of where we can work with it. We're going to have to put a little bit of flour on our hands. So when we get ready, which we're fixing to be ready. Don't stick your fingers in it. What did Mammy tell you? Back of your hand like that. Okay, now we're going to wipe our messy hands off. That'll be good enough right now. Making them by the directions. We'll make them by the directions another day. Mo says tomorrow. Here, put your hands right here. No. No. Get them all covered in the flour. Okay, this is what we're going to do, guys. We're going to take us this little pinch. Well, bigger pinch than that. We'll let this one be little. But we're just going to flatten it out. Put it over the bowl. I'm going to take a little bit more this time. It's okay. We'll clean it up. Yeah, you made a mess. Yeah. But we're just going to flatten them out into what we want to, whatever shape we want them in. About 1/8 of an inch thick. Okay? And we're just going to lay them over there.
Take off me.
You got to have more flour.
Mama,
I might have not should have put that other water in it.
can we
But
not?
it's,
Wow.
kind of fold it around and get it covered in flour like that. No, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Okay. Okay, girls. We is cooking up a storm today.
Mama, pat it
Pat it out. That's right.
and my ass. Dirty.
Her hands are dirty. Oh, look there. She's got her biscuit all patted out. Her beignet.
Mama, that's it.
Rub them together. Now this might make a lot more whenever we roll it out, but we just trying it our way. You know, sometimes you don't ever know if something will work. Do you give it a shot? We are giving it a shot today, our own way. Oops. And we're making a mess in Gaga's kitchen. Okay. You got it rolled out? Oh, that looks good, guys. Do your last one. Okay. I'm going to wash my hands while Mo's patting that one out. You got it patted out? Yes, ma'am? Okay. Oh, I did want to show you our plate of beignets. We're just going to see what we wind up with. They should rise to the top if we don't have them too heavy. Oh, there's a little bit of it rising. Look at there. Look at there. You washed your hands? Well, come on. Okay, you want me to fry one of yours? Okay, we're putting in one of Momo's. You so excited? Me too. We're going to see. Watch, see if it rises to the top. Watch. Don't get close now because it is hot.
Mommy.
What, baby?
Yeah.
No, not with the grease. We ain't going to let you turn it with the grease.
What, Mommy?
Because might burn you. This grease is hot Somali.
You.
See, look at yours. He's done rose. Look at there. Look there, guys. Mo's rose up.
You too, Mommy.
Yep. Let's turn Mo's over. Oh, look how pretty that one's getting.
What's that?
That's so we can drain them.
Oh.
Oh, look how pretty that one is.
You.
They're not as fluffy as the beignets that we have gotten at Cafe du Monde, but that's okay. Tell them we ain't worried about that a bit.
Mama, Mommy. Mama.
Oh, you want this one's yours? Right there. Right there, guys. We put hers in right there.
Mama.
No,
Mama.
yeah, but we don't want to overcrowd them. We want to give them time to cook, okay? Look how awesome they're looking. A little bit, like I said, not fluffy. Yeah, that's Mammy's arm. Oh, look how pretty that one's getting.
Let me see.
Right there. That's one of yours. How pretty.
Yeah.
Back, don't cause me to spill nothing.
Mommy.
Yeah, mine's a little flat, but it's okay.
Yeah.
We're just gonna see. We'll make them by the real recipe next time. Yeah, yeah. Tell them we'll make them by the real recipe next time.
Then we don't see me. Then next
Say real recipe next time.
time.
Okay.
Then no time.
Tell them it's beignets
Then
by Cafe du Monde.
ma tell ma.
Okay.
Yeah, ma.
And see hers? We're gonna take one of hers up right there. It's looking mighty good. Look at that.
How about a? That's
We're gonna turn them over one more time, let them get just a little bit browner, and then we're taking them up. Taking another one of hers up. And look how, oh, her, guys, she has outshowed me. Would you look how big hers are? And look how flat mine are.
Me won't lost, Mommy.
I think you done it right. I think Mammy kind of messed up a little bit.
No, Mommy.
You don't think I did?
These okay.
They're okay?
These not okay. These not okay.
They're not okay?
These not okay.
Okay. Well, back up a little bit away from the grease. Look how flit and flattered that one is. He's a flit flatter. Okay, let's put some more in there.
Mommy. Mom.
I'm gonna put hers all rose, guys. Would you look at that? Every last one of them rose up. You go, Momo.
Daddy on Mommy. Daddy on
No, don't turn it on.
these.
No, baby, we got the one on that we need. Oh, we're gonna see. Mo's gonna outshine me, guys. Momo is gonna outshine me. Okay, guys, we're back now. Look at Momo's. Look how good they rose. Momo outdid Mammy by far. Here, hold your bowl. We're having to use a colander because our sifter basket is dirty. Now we're just gonna pile powdered sugar over them. Shake it, 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 girl.
Oh, Mommy.
Tomorrow we're gonna fix it better. Okay. There we go. When they're cool enough to try, tell them when they're cool enough to try, we'll come back. You can eat it.
How about
Okay, guys. I tried my flat one. It tastes good. We're gonna get Gaga to try it. She's coming. I'm coming. Too flat, but it's good. Y'all got mess everywhere. Hush. Try one.
Does got powdered
Here,
sugar
try one.
everywhere.
She's gonna try one of those.
What they do for flat ones?
Just hush and eat. You know, Nosy always has to ask questions. Questions not allowed today. They're good. They ain't as fluffy as they supposed to be, but they're good. Okay, guys. Oh, she ain't told you yet.
She rushing me. It was good. They don't have much of a taste, which beignets don't have much of a taste. I mean, the powdered sugar, but I mean,
It has a taste to me.
like what?
I don't know, like some kind of bread.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's all right. It's good.
I think it's good. You want one, Wesley? Want to try one?
Oh,
What?
well, that one was hot.
Oh, look. That one looks like it's supposed to.
That one was hot. She's cutting off our heads. I don't know why she's filming like that, having to break our backs to talk to y'all.
Because I was just filming what I was doing.
I'm trying to make sure y'all don't see all my mess back here. So I ain't cleaned up my kitchen today. I got dirty dishes.
Pretty good to me.
Okay.
These are kind of fail, but they taste good. We'll try them the way it says to do next time. All right, love you, bye.